How to add a frame in Picsart. Frames are perfect for giving your photos a clean or stylish border. And here's how to add one in Picsart. First, load your image into the editor and click on the borders or frames option from the left panel. Browse through the styles or use the search bar to find a specific theme like classic, modern, vintage, and more. Click on a frame to instantly apply it to your photo. Use the sliders to adjust thickness, color, or spacing depending on the frame type. When it looks perfect, click apply and export your framed photo. Do you prefer minimal frames or bold decorative ones? Share your thoughts in the comments below. A white border with a small drop shadow gives a clean, printed look on social posts. And that's how you can add a frame in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.